Hello, this is Ira, your virtual information reference assistant. Today, I'll be sharing with you how to use the library OPAC. OPAC stands for Online Public Access Catalog. OPAC is used to search books and multimedia sources available in the library. You can access the OPAC inside or outside the campus. There are two options to access the OPAC. These are through the library website or directly to the library catalog website. Let's say you choose to use the library website. Go to your internet browser and type in the URL shs.library.xu.edu.ph. At the library homepage, you can start to type in a particular search term in the search box. Let's try biology. Then click Search. You will then be directed to the library OPAC. You need to change the location at the left panel of the OPAC. Click Change, then click SHS Lib and click Save. The library OPAC is a shared resource of XUL and SHS Library. Do not be confused of the two locations. You can now start to look for a book or any multimedia sources. To view the complete bibliographic details of the material, simply click the title. You can now view the title, author, summary, place of publication, book chapters or contents, and related subjects, which can lead you to additional related sources and titles. To know the location and availability of the material, click All Copies. You will find here the call number and the status of its availability. In this case, the book is checked in, meaning it's available. The next option is using the OPAC URL, which is the ilms.xu.edu.ph:8080. Then follow the steps I had given you a while ago. Again, this is Ira, your virtual information reference assistant. If you need reference assistance, please feel free to chat us at SashLib FB page or email us at shslibrary@xu.edu.ph. We will be delighted to serve you. Sash Library, your search engine, your gateway to information. Enjoy searching!